Hi, we'll be unboxing the REDAKAi counter the Kaiwu X-Reader starter pack. Let me zoom out a bit. Stat to battle. X-Reader plus 22 blast 3D cards. 2 booster packs, the X-Reader, that it says there, everything you need to battle and win. 1 set. Nothing down there, nothing up here, nothing on the side. The battle bots, just a little content, how it works. That's a booster pass to buy, so let's get to the unboxing and open this box up. I'll set that aside. Two booster pads, a little game instruction sheet of how to play the battle game, and your X driver. So let's see how this thing works, shall we? I'm guessing there's a little hole right in the back here for your finger. So, okay, wait, no. This is a little tricky. Okay, you just pull it up like that to store your cards in. Okay, so here's how it works. Here's the front, which doesn't make any sense because this is more like front. You pop that open and you get your card out. Or here you flip this open and then you can put your deck in there. So here's a little hologram card. As you can see, it kind of moves like a little hologram right there. Not much. On the back of this one, how to play. Start with 1 character card and 20 monster and attack cards. Place your character card in play in front of you. Shuffle your monsters and attack cards. Randomly determine who goes first. Gameplay. Each player turns their will flip the top card of their deck, then play that card. If you flip over attack, compare the attack power and color to the opponent's character's defense in that color. If it's higher, put the attack on the opponent's character. If it's lower, put the attack into your discard pile. If you flip over a monster, put it on your character. Win. When all 3 of your opponent's damage zones are red, you win the game. If your opponent's damage all 3 of your zones first, he wins. If a player runs out of cards in his deck, when that player would draw a card and can't, he loses the game. So, pretty much right here tells you how to do it. Not much to it. Let's see if this thing. Okay, now it's focusing better, a little bit better. Character's name, character version, 3 defense zones, 3 damage zones, and character's ability. Not much there. That discard power character card, your monster card, your character card was there's not much that tells you how to really play the game. It's made by Spin Master. So okay, let's get to the unboxing or pack opening of the 2 little RAM booster pads that they give you. By the way, I think you get like 11 cards. Yeah, you get 11 cards in the here. I don't know why my camera's not focusing that much today. There we go. 11 X-Driver cards. So you get 11 cards in a booster pack. So you get this little queer attack card, I'm guessing. There's 3 little symbols down here. So we draw Meta Slam. If this hits a character that was already damaged, draw a card. 850, number 7 there, 2 red bars there. That's kind of the little hologram effect. This one, Magnetic Tornado. Number 2 there, 800, 3 character symbols there, 850. Nah, not much effect for that card. Then we have Magnetic Blade. 2. I'm guessing it's a fire type. 250. Ooh, here's the effect. It's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, then nuts. We have Main Drain. 3. 450. No touch on that one. Let's see what his effect does. Oh, it kind of looks like he's drilling a bit. There's really nothing on the back of these cards. Next one, Mind Shot. 3, 450. Let's see if we can see that better. That's what that one does. Then we have Mind Welt. Number 2, 350. Not much on that card. Sonic Spin 4. If this hits a opponent, can't play attack that costs 3 or less next turn. 450. Let's see what else we have here. Freezeway 7, which is done in silver instead of being done in a little pale gray cover. This one's got like a silver metallic thing going on. So I'm guessing this is like your rare collector's card. If this hits, draw a card for each character on your team that has blue defense, 550. And let's see if we could get the little animated thing going there. Next we have, I'm guessing it's a character monster card. Twist Squad, 3, Red Machine,